Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I look very horrible right now, but we are doing a what I eat in a day video. If you haven't already guessed from the title and the thumbnail, these are how my what I eat in a day videos are. Super casual, nothing crazy. For those that are wondering, I had VSG 4 years ago. I've lost a total of 170 pounds, and yeah, I eat pretty high protein, low carb, and I'm currently in the process of trying to lose a little bit more weight. My goal weight is like 130 pounds, and I'm currently like teetering from 148 all the way to 156 pounds. So I have like a 10-pound almost weight difference, and I kind of want to stop doing that. I want to stay at a certain weight. So that's kind of the ideology behind my diet, and yeah, that's all I have to say. But one more thing, I'm sorry, I'm not a nutritionist. I have to say that because some people think I'm a doctor. I'm not. I don't know the medical actual like things that a diet can do to you, so please consult a doctor, especially if you've had VSG. And let's get this day started. You guys didn't see me pouring my coffee. Now you saw me pouring my coffee. I got this cup at Home Goods, forgot to take off the price tag. I drink decaf, by the way, because of my anxiety. So there's that. We're gonna start our day with a cup of coffee, and we'll get breakfast going in a few. Alright guys, so it is time for breakfast, and today I'm gonna be having oats for breakfast, and they're just a good source of fiber and a good source of good carbs. And I know a lot of people are probably scared because oats have a high amount of carbs and calories, but it hasn't done me wrong, and I've been eating it my whole journey. So I'm going to be adding some vital proteins to that, and a little bit of this Skinny Syrup's vanilla almond, and some mixed berries, and some walnuts and pecans to top it off. So once my oats are at like this consistency, I'm gonna let it sit for like a second, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my protein powder, and you can add this into hot and cold, which is great. So I'm gonna add 1 scoop of that and plate it up for you guys. All right guys, so here is my oatmeal. I just topped it off with some raw pecans, walnuts, and some frozen fruit. And here are the macros. I always put the macros on the screen. This is a great source of fiber, protein, especially with that added collagen powder. It's just a protein packed and fiber packed breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. Hey guys, it's lunchtime. So I just finished filming like a recipe video, and that's what I'm eating right now. I'll show you guys more of a close-up. It is a vegetable lo mein. It's packed with protein. It's made with lentil pasta. I'm sorry I didn't show me making it, but I will leave my recipe video down below if it makes it. Hopefully it does, and if it doesn't, I'll share the recipe anyway. And here is my veggie lo mein. I'll write down the macros on the side as always, and this is my lunch for today. Guys, so I'm having a snack right now. It is the Sriracha Ranch cashews. I'll leave the nutrition info on the side. I'm sorry it's not a lot of me in this, and it's a lot more of food, but I look like absolute crap right now. So these are the Sriracha Ranch cashews. They have pretty good macros, and I like snacking on these. The one thing you want to make sure of, wait, let me flip you guys over. I showered, so I don't look that good anymore. But the one thing that I really love about these nuts is they're very good for you. They're high in protein, but you want to be careful of how much you eat of nuts because they are high in fat. So just keep that in mind and snack responsibly. Hey guys, what's up? I haven't seen you in a very long time. It is currently around 6 o'clock and me and Zach are about to go out for dinner. My lunch really filled me up, so I didn't have many snacks beforehand. So I'm gonna go and have kind of a big dinner. We're going to get some barbecue. Ain't that right, Zach?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, and this is my new room, by the way. Look at our new bed. So cute, but I'll do a room tour, hopefully. But let's go. Oh, Zach wants to show you his reading light. Let's go get some barbecue. Couldn't really record here because they had copyright music, but we just got a pulled pork salad, and then we got a tray of meats, basically just full of protein. And I didn't have any of the carbs because I feel like I had too many carbs today, but I'll explain that in the next clip. Hi guys, this is future me coming in to end the video because I didn't end my video yesterday, which is so like me. But I just wanted to let you guys know, from the barbecue that I ate, I only ate one piece of brisket, so about that much, no cornbread, and just all the proteins and some salad. I know you guys like when I say what I eat, so that's what I ate. I'll leave all the nutrition info, like my total for the day, right over here. Please like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more, just let me know. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.